and welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a temperature and humidity monitoring device which is basically based on the LAN, that means local area network. And this kind of device finds its place suitable in ideal conditions in server rooms, cold chains, warehouses, offices, or any environment sensitive places. Now this particular temperature and humidity device not only just reads the temperature and humidity, but it has a lot of capability. When you connect this to the LAN, it can go to your local areas network, your new or existing network, and also it can be further transmitted to your HTTP or HTTPS locations. This temperature has a range of 0 to 50 degrees Celsius and the RH is 0 to 100% RH. Now coming to the sensor, this has got an inbuilt sensor. As you can see, we have just mounted over the instrument. The enclosure is an ABS plastic body, and here you can see the LAN RJ45 jack which is inserted just like this. This is an input for 12 volts 2 amps adapter which is supplied along with, and a back plate mounting will be provisioned to mount on the wall. It has got 4 front keys to set the temperature and the RH. When you say set the temperature or RH, means you can have 2 set points for temperature and humidity each, where you want to trigger any kind of violation, maybe an alarm, inbuilt alarm which is already there in this device, or an external alarm to your 24/7 monitoring area. This is a password protected device, which means that only admins can access in any office, which also avoids any kind of misuse. Now to tell you about the basic architecture of this would be connected to your router, your LAN router, either new or existing, and from that router you can take it to your application database, application web server, or the database where you create the database and the application server, and from the application server you can access the data across the LAN. Now from the application database you can also forward this data to HTTP or HTTPS location. The temperature accuracy for this is plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius, and the RH accuracy is plus or minus 1.8% RH. To be precise, 1.5%. Now since we are the manufacturers of this system, we can very well do a lot of customizations available for the user. If you want the sensor to be placed inside the location or the server rooms or your cold chain, and this monitor to be at your lobby outside, you can do that as well. If you want an inbuilt alarm, that is a standard. If you want an alarm to be extended to 50 meters far away security room, that also is possible along with this device. This also have a variation of temperature only device. This currently is temperature and humidity. The LED displays, as you can see, is 0.5 inches in size. Now when I say that the instrument can also send the data to your HTTP or HTTP location, you have the capability, but you need to contact the store for checking the infrastructure, and based on the infrastructure we can support to get this data pushed to your HTTP or HTTP location. I'll just demonstrate how it looks like when the data is pushed to your HTTP location. Now you can see that it can also take data from different sources or number of instruments. I've shown you one single instrument, but it can also take the data from number of instruments and can be displayed on the single screen. Now you can see that room E, room F, room G, area 2, room A, and so on. So you can see the temperature and the humidity of that particular area. And there is a set point which also shows that which is within the set point. In this family, we also have a normal temperature monitoring system with an RTD PT100 sensor. As you can see, this is stainless steel temperature sensor which is only for temperature monitoring. This is a plain simple temperature monitoring device which can also be used in this kind of application if the need is not for LAN or any IoT based system. Similar to that, we also have a temperature and humidity monitoring system, but this is based on GSM, and this is having a capability of sending the SMS or email, or it can show a real-time data over the dashboard from this particular device directly. It has a SIM card holder. Also the sensor, as you can see, there's a difference because it's one sensor having the temperature and humidity combined. It's a capacitive polymer sensor which is having the same kind of accuracy as RTD. However, from the earlier model of LAN which I shown, this is having a different display. This is a dot matrix LCD display, as you can see, which is also showing the set points for temperature and humidity with the date and time. Now for this instruments, we also give factory calibration certificate which is traceable to NABL accredited labs, which means that we do the calibration before we give to the end user. For more instruments similar to this temperature and humidity, and for your cold chain, server rooms and other temperature sensitive areas, you can always reach to our expert at instrucard.com, seek our advice for the right device and purchase it. Thanks for watching.